What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola. If you're a returning subscriber watching my video, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be walking you through affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. So this video is gonna be a step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorial, literally walking you through how you could literally make $700 with affiliate marketing. But before I literally dive into the video, I would like to show you guys some proof to tell you I'm someone you should listen to. So you can see right here, this is the balance of $700 right here on my screen. I was able to make this money through affiliate marketing. So right now I'm gonna be reloading the screen right now to tell you this is not some screenshot or whatever. So right now I'm gonna be clicking on the reload button right here, and you can see right here it's reloading and it's done reloading and the money is still intact. So right now I'm gonna be walking you through how I was able to make this money by literally walking you through step by step, and also how you could literally make this money for yourself.
Do right here is to head over to jvizo.com, and this was the website that literally paid me the money you guys saw right here on my screen. So the first thing you need to do right here is to create an account. If you know you haven't created an account for yourself, and in order to create an account, just scroll down a little bit. You're gonna see the get started now. So once you click on this get started now, it's gonna take you to a place where you go ask to fill out your name. You're gonna ask you to fill out your email address, then create a password for yourself. So it does not matter where you are in the world. If you're in the US, if you're in Canada, if you're in Australia, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, so it does not matter anywhere you are in the world. This website is available worldwide. So all you need to do right here is to select your country. So once you select your country right here, just click on register now. So once you click on the register now button right here, they're gonna send a confirmation email to your email address. So you're gonna ask you to verify your account. So once you're done creating an account on JVZoo, this is how your account is going to look like. You're going to see the success login. So the next thing you need to do right here is to pick an affiliate product you would like to promote. And in order for you to pick an affiliate product right here on this website, all you need right here is to click on the menu bar. So once you click on the menu bar right here, it's going to take you to this section. So all you need to do right now is to come over to this affiliate section right here. So once you come over to this affiliate section, just go over to find product. So once you click on the find product menu right here, it's going to take you to their marketplace right here on JVZoo. So you're gonna see different kind of product right here on JVZoo, from softwares to supplement, to weight loss product. There are different kind of products you could literally promote right here on JVZoo. So all you need right here is to pick the kind of product you know you like to promote. If you want to promote a software product, you could literally go with the software product. If you want to promote like courses, ebook, there are different kind of products you could literally promote. So in order to do that right here, you could just select them by the categories. You could go over to the categories. You're gonna see different kind of products you could promote. You could promote business and finance. You could promote cooking and food. You could promote educational content. You could promote like entertainment content. There are different kind of products. There are different kind of offers right here on JVZoo. And also, if you may want to promote like marketing and e-commerce software or whatever, you could decide to go with any kind of product you want to promote. But for me right here, I love to promote software, so I'm gonna be selecting software right here. You're gonna see I'm gonna be selecting software because I love to promote software products. So once you select the kind of product you want to promote, you're gonna filter out different kind of offers that you could promote. So what I'm gonna advise you guys to do is to pick a product that has a very good high payout and a very good offer. So you're gonna see different kind of products you could literally promote right here. So if you scroll down, there are a lot of products you could promote. So you could literally see how much sales has the product gotten, how many people have purchased the product. So there are different information right here that you could just go through them. You're gonna see the average per sale, the EPC, the conversion rate right here. And guys, like I said, if you are picking a product right here in JVZoo, you need to make sure their conversion rate is high, and also you need to know the kind of products you're promoting. You need to know the kind of people who are going to be needing the product, the kind of people you are going to be promoting the product to. So right here, I'm going to be looking for the kind of product I would like to promote, and I'm going to be getting right back to you guys. So literally guys, I just found this offer called the AI social bundle, and this offer has been sold over 1,500 times, and it also has a very high payout. So if I click on it right here, I'm going to see the commissions for this website right here. So this website is going to be paying you $317. That is the sales though. So and the commission is 50%. So you're gonna be getting 50% of this sale. So the normal price for the software right here is $317. So you're gonna be getting 50% of this product. So you're gonna be getting around $158 per sale. So if you're able to make one sales right here on this product, you're going to be getting $158, which is huge right here. So I'm going to be scrolling down a little bit right here to get some information about the product. So I'm going to be going over to their product, that is their product page right here, to understand what this software is all about. Right here is for content creators. So this software is for like YouTubers, for those of us who literally do into content creation. So I'm going to be just scrolling down right here to get some information about the product. And guys, whenever you're picking a product right here on this website, you need to make sure you're able to understand what the product you're promoting is all about, who the product is meant for, and know some basic information you need to know about the software. So right here, I'm able to know that this software is for content creator, for like YouTubers, for social media influencers, and all of that. So right here, you could just go through the software right here to see what it offers. You need to know the importance of the software, what it's used for, and all of that. So right here, once you already identify, once you already know what the product you're promoting is all about, it's now time for you right here to like apply for the product. So you're gonna be getting your affiliate link. So right now I'm gonna be applying for this product. So all you just know right here is to just click on the get approved page. So once you click on the get approved button, you're able to send the merchant a DM. So you're gonna just tell the merchant that you like to promote your product, then they're gonna give you access to the product. But if you want to know if your product has been approved, if you want to know if the product you apply for has been approved, all you need right here to go over to the menu section right here. So once you click on this menu section right here, you're gonna go over to the approved product. So once you go over to the approved product, you're gonna see different kind of product that you have applied for, and from there you'll be able to locate your affiliate links. So once you're done identifying the kind of product you like to promote, all you need right here to just grab your affiliate link. So once you grab your affiliate link, this is gonna be taking us to the next step, which is promoting our affiliate links, because that is the most important and essential part of affiliate marketing, because without traffic you're not gonna be making any money from affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use the method I use in promoting my affiliate links. So if I were you, what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to head over to Quora.com right here, because I'm going to be using Quora right here to promote our affiliate link, because Quora has a lot of traffic, a lot of huge traffic from third world countries like USA, UK, Australian, Canada, that are coming right here on this website. So we're going to be taking advantage of this traffic right here in promoting our affiliate link. So the first thing I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to copy the name of the product I'm trying to promote. So I'm going to be looking for maybe if people are searching for this product right here. So I'm going to come over to Quora search bar right here, and I'm going to paste the name of the product I'm promoting, which is AI social bundle. So if I click on go right here, I'm going to see maybe if people are searching for this product right here. So you guys could see right here that a lot of people right here are already writing reviews, already writing articles about this product right here. So we are also going to be doing the same. So just scroll down a little bit right here, and yeah, so literally we're going to be writing an article right here on Quora.com. So we're going to be optimizing this article. So once people that are interested in this product are searching for it on Google, so our article is going to be the one that's going to be popping out right here. So once our article is able to pop right here, so once they click on our article and click on our affiliate links, they're going to be taken straight to the product. And once they go over to the product and make a purchase for the product, we're going to be making $158. That is a whooping $158. And guys, if you are getting any value from the video, if you know you're finding the video helpful so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video right here, and also if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. So right here, I'm going to be going over to the post section right here on Quora. So you could just come over to the post section. So you're going to see the post section right here. So once you click on the post section right here, we're going to be writing an article on this product that you're promoting. So you can also do the same for any kind of product you're promoting. Just try to paste the name of the product that you're promoting on Quora. Try to see if people are searching for it, and if you find out that people are searching for it, all you need right here is to just answer question related to the product. Or you could also write an article or create a space, then also write an article. Just try to create content around the kind of product you are promoting. So right here, I'm going to be going over to Google right here to just search in the same product right here, like the product name, which is the AI social bundle right now. So you guys could see right here there are a lot of articles that are ranking right here on this website. You can see right here this article is from linkedin.com, and also you can also take advantage of LinkedIn. Just write a review article right here promoting the kind of products you're promoting. So if I scroll down a little bit right here, this is another video right here. This is another YouTube video right here that is doing a review about this same particular product. So if you have a YouTube channel, you have a blog, or it's not even compulsory you have a blog, you could just go on Quora right here, try to write in articles related to the kind of products you're promoting, then try to optimize your article for search. So if you're able to rank on the first page of Google right here, you are going to be getting a lot of clicks to your affiliate link. So right now I'm going to be opening this article right here to see what this guy have written. So I know you guys may be thinking, okay, are we going to be writing this article? Yes, because the reason I asked you guys to write this article yourself is because it's going to give you original content, because Google likes to rank original content. And by the way, there are other ways you could use to write an article. You could use like ChatGPT, you could use an AI to write this article. It's going to be faster, but I'm not going to advise you guys just use ChatGPT to write your article, because Google does not rank any content written by AI. So I'm going to advise you, like, write this article yourself. Like, everybody's literally educated, everybody's like, everybody went to school, so you could just try to write an article. You could open different kind of article, then try to get some idea from what the person has written. So you could write here, you could just get an idea. You could see this person says AI social auto review, so you could also like use this as your title right here. You could use this as your title, then you could try to see their introduction. You could see how the word the person used to start his article. So you could just scroll down a little bit right here, try to get some inspiration about the kind of product you're promoting. So once you're done writing this article, you can literally just put in your affiliate link. That is the affiliate link you have copied from JVZoo right here in between of this article. You can see right here, this is what this guy is doing right here. So this is something you guys could do right here that you could generate a lot of money for yourself. So that was how I was able to make the money I show you guys right here on my screen earlier. Like I said, if you know you have found the video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also if you have any question right here, feel free like to go to the comment section right here, drop your comment. And another thing you could do right here is you could also copy like the article. You could copy the whole of the article right here. So once you copy the whole of the article, you could just take them to over to like quickboat.com right here to paraphrase this article. So this software is going to give you that ability like to rewrite the article that the person have written. So you could just paste this article right here on Quickboat. Then once you're done rewriting this article right here, you could just head over to like Quora right here, try to arrange the article. Then once you're done with that, just click on the post button. So right now I'm going to be rephrasing this article right here, and this tool is going to be writing this article in a different language for us. So you guys could see right here that Quickbot is already paraphrasing the article, is already rewriting the article for us right here. So you could literally just copy the article that Quickbot has written for you right here. Try to make it at least 1,000 word longer. So once you are done with that, just go over to Quora.com, head over to the post section right here. Then you could literally just write the title, that is AI software review right here. That is the name of the software I'm literally promoting. So I'm going to be copying the article I've just gotten from Quickbot. I'm going to be pasting that right here on this section. So I'm going to be giving it that is the title right here, which is the AI social review right here. Let me quickly write that. So you guys could see right here what I've written. I said, is AI social review worth it in 2023? So you could just try to figure out the kind of catchy title that you could use for your article, to just try to brainstorm a little bit. And so once you're done like writing the article, then you could just try right here and try to highlight any of the parts of the article that I've written that you could put in your affiliate links in between of the article. So once you are done with that, just click on this post section. So once you click on the post menu right here, your article is going to be live. So with time right here, Quora is going to be ranking your article, and once your article is in the first page of Google, you're going to be making a lot of money, because people are going to be searching for this product, and once people click on your affiliate links, you're going to be making a sale. So that was how I was able to make the money I showed you guys earlier on my screen. So I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you do, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also if you have any question, feel free to go to the comment section and drop your comment. And also if you want to learn more ways that you could use to promote your affiliate links, you could click on the video right here, popping right on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in my next